Here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we are pleased to present this exceptional 2021 plate hybrid Range Rover Sport, finished in Santorini Black. It comes enhanced by striking 21-inch alloys, side vents and privacy glass. It also comes with a full service history and 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, as well as a 25-mile electric-only range. Open the powered boot and you'll find a large and practical boot space, perfect for all your everyday needs. Step inside and the premium ebony grained leather interior creates a sophisticated and welcoming environment. Both the front and rear are spacious and comfortable, with plenty of legroom for all passengers. The elegant dashboard houses the P400e infotainment centre with navigation, CarPlay and Meridian sound system. Above you, the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. The steering wheel puts key controls like volume, cruise control, lane assist and heated steering buttons at your fingertips. As an extra luxury, the refrigerator cool box keeps drinks and snacks cool on every journey. Comfort is guaranteed, with heated front and rear seats and climate control, while a rear camera makes parking and manoeuvring easy. The sunroof can also be opened for fresh air and sunlight on those nicer and sunnier days. This impressive plug-in hybrid Range Rover Sport could be yours today. For more information or to get in touch, please follow the link in the description below.